content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary relationship.
Disarmament of Hamas. Are we going to go long today or what? I don't know. I feel like it might have some effect in the market. Appreciate you, Ziad. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's have fun here, guys. Hold on. Let me make an announcement to everybody, and then we will get started. Let's copy this in here. We are live, baby. We are live. Let's go. All right, cool, guys. Let's kill it. Let me get my chat open here. Boom. All right. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I'm going to just do a run through the charts. I'm going to go through, see what we can take, and, you know, answer any questions if you guys have any while I'm doing this. Feel free. You guys can ask away. But, yeah, if you guys remember Wednesday, we took a decent trade. I'm up $2,900 on this 150K funded from the one trade we took last week or last Wednesday. This past Wednesday. So need 4 more trading days on this account to get a payout. So this is going to be road to payout, guys. This is going to be intense. Let's go. Let's go. So we're going to just chop it up here on the daily chart. And if you guys don't know, if anyone's new here, I'm Tori. I trade like ICT concepts. So I trade like, you know, liquidity, fair value gaps, stuff like that. What is going on here? But for me, it's really helped me gain a lot of simplicity in my trading and a lot of confidence for sure. So, you know, it's helped me a lot. I think to the moon, King. I think to the moon. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? True as it should be in there. Drew, it's on there. You don't see it, Drew? Okay, so let's chop it up here, guys. What is this, bro? This screenshot look like a freaking bug in that screenshot. On God. Ay. Well, now let's make some bank here, guys. So daily chart, nothing crazy to pay attention to. I feel like we might go for these relative equal highs right here, to be honest. Oh, I made 3,000 on my phone account and switched to my new payout model because there was an option to do so. It never said that my $3,000 would be reset zero. It was really hard to find. Hey, Kay. I mean, you could reach out to support. I have seen cases we do help go back to the old structure if you just went to the new structure and you lost your product. That's just how it is. I mean, even there is a disclaimer. I believe there's like check boxes and it does say, resetting to the new structure will essentially reset your account. So that's what it does. But reach out to support and we could probably help you out with that. So don't worry about that. They refuse to do so. What's your FFF username, okay? What's your FFF username? DM it to me, and I'll look into it for you. And I'll look up your ticket, and I'll hit you up through the ticket. All right? Got you. Yeah, hit me up with that info, okay? Let's go, though, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna draw out this previous high here. Let's see right here, bam. I'm hyped though today, guys. We'll see. We'll see what we can catch. We will see what we can catch. But yeah, if you guys got any questions too about trading, anything, I'm here for you. Hit me up. Let me know in the chat. I got it open. Shout out to everybody. Shout out YouTube. Shout out Discord. Much love for all you guys.
That's funny, huh?
Oh, share screen. Didn't even share screen here on Discord yet. Sorry, guys. That would be helpful.
Was this light hitting me?
So yeah, this is the previous high I was talking about, guys. So if we go long, we're probably gonna go up to here. I'm thinking into this imbalance. If we go long, on Friday too. Honestly, something that happens quite a bit is if we are bullish,
that was peak, huh?
we will. No, I don't think today really constitutes as it.
No, that's my.
You know, if our weekly candle looked like this and it was right down, I would anticipate a move 20 to 30% back into the body. You know, a little retracement, but we're not going to get that today, so we'll see. I think we might keep going up though.
Yeah, that's where it was like my max.
Daily chart though, boom. Let's go check out the 4 hour.
47. I'm skinnier than this.
Let's see, 4 hour. We do have this 4 hour imbalance below.
Like maybe 155. I want to be like 155, 160. Dude, I should do it, huh?
Let's see.
I have like good muscle.
Yeah, and I grow muscle.
So this would be what, the 30 yesterday's New York session low. If we go into there,
If I get those to come out a little bit, my body fat has dropped a lot. If the treadmill, I'll probably go a lot less in body fat.
Sweet, okay. So you have a question regarding the alleged violation of compliance, but the system did not allow me to contest it. What, Daniela? What did the dashboard detect for you? What was the compliance message you got? Oh man. Sponge the man. Let's see. They closed my ticket. Should I open it again? Yeah. I'll see it's closed. Don't worry about it. After the stream, I'll check it out. Don't worry. You could if you want, just so it's easier, I guess, easier for me to find seeing it open. Sure, go ahead and message in it again. But I'll look you up. All right, so pretty much, guys, 4 hour chart. All I really see is that we had this imbalance right here. So if we want to pay attention to this, we can, because this would have been a zone on the way down to have a reaction potentially to see what happens here. And we blasted right through it, as you can see today. So this is going to be pretty decisional for me today. I want to see what we can do with this zone. So we're going to draw this out. And then also, ideally, if we're still short, this is going to be our sell side liquidity for this session that we're paying attention to. This is the liquidity we're going to want to target if we're bearish. Okay. So if we end up being bearish, this is the low we're going to target. We could even target 50% of this wick, which was already mitigated, already was hit. If you look at this big wick right here, 50% of it, we already hit that. So this is going to be pretty decisional. And if we're bullish, we can go for high a day or even this relative equal high back here. Okay. So what I want to see then is how we use this zone. This technically on the way down when the price came up, it took highs right here, overnight highs, ripped the highs, didn't take this high back here though, and then ripped down to this imbalance that was unmitigated, right? Came down, ripped right below this imbalance. So I want to see if this is going to act as resistance and price comes up to it and bounces down, or if it acts bullish and if it goes up here and actually uses this for support now, comes up, boom, bounces and becomes bullish. So we're going to see what happens here. Let's see. Dude. What are you doing? All right. You gonna take a picture? Sorry, guys, getting distracted here. Some person here. Person here at the office is being distracting. But I think we have some huge potential today, guys, honestly. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here in the 4 hour. And let's draw out these. I'm going to stretch these out to be infinite because I'm losing them on a lower time frame here. So let's see. Boom. Infinite. Bam, bam, bam. Same with this one, too. This is going to be, dude. Anchor, right and left, boom. Okay, so these are our zones, our main zones we want to pay attention to. So this is going to be like a little bounce or reject area that we're paying attention to. And depending on what we do here, higher time frame wise, this is what's going to lead us to target either side liquidity. Okay. So that's what we got so far. Now we're going to go down to the hourly. See, really nothing to pay attention to here. We have this huge candle right here, the 10 o'clock candle on the hourly. Danielle, it says someone else traded my account, which is not true. Long story short, my brother keeps me accountable by looking at my trades in the dashboard, but he doesn't give any well charts. But he doesn't have my well charts credentials, and I was already locked out anyways. So there's no way he could have traded for me. Yeah, Danielle, hit up support for that, and we can look deeper into that for you. But yeah, we'll keep you posted on that. Reach out to support, please, on that. But just so you guys know, I mean, device sharing is not allowed. And if we have multiple users on our profile on our platform that have, because our softwares do detect device fingerprint. You know, every device you have, a computer, a laptop, whatever it is, has its own device fingerprint. So if we see that fingerprint being logged, you know, if it's your profile and you regularly use that device, it's going to be logged on your profile frequently. And then if you log into someone else's computer or log into someone else's profile with that same device, it's going to get logged on their profile. And any overlap, our system does detect and flag. So, you know, it's just strictly because technically people could be sharing accounts. Someone could be taking advantage of, we have a 5 funded account max, but let's say you want 10. You hit up your brother, you hit up your family member, your friend, say open FFF account. I'm going to buy all the accounts though. I'm going to trade it. Just give me the login. You know, that's not allowed, but that's technically how someone could finesse the system like that. And that's why it's typically, you know, industry-wide practice, you know, no device sharing is allowed because there's a lot of fraud that can happen. But that's why that rule is enforced. It's not just some rule just to be there. It's really just to maintain security and, you know, fairness on our platform. But yeah, reach out to support, Daniela, and we'll look deeper into that for you. For sure, Johnny Cash. Yeah, just reach out to support regarding anything like that. We got you guys. But those are strict rules. I mean, you are not allowed to, you know, device share because a lot can happen. I've even seen it being, you know, a trader for a while, seeing what people do, how they get around, you know, rules, how they finesse prop firms. It's just not good. So, you know, everything is in place for a reason. Let's see. This is looking rather short, guys. So, you know, this candle really came down here really strong, but then closed above this zone. So it almost looked like if we were opening on this candle, we could have gotten faked out in the longs here because we would have thought, damn, it wicked us out. We had a big fake out, big Judas swing down. Didn't take the lows, didn't take this liquidity into the 4 hour zone, which is down here. Okay. And in this candle, you would have thought, dang, let's go long. But I'm feeling like we're gonna go short even more, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. So this is clean too. So this is the 4 hour zone. We have now on the 15-minute chart a sell side imbalance that printed right here. Price respected it. We're moving down from it. How many ticks do we have to the low of day here in New York? 400. That's crazy. And then even 700 to the ultimate low here on the 4 hour. All right, we're getting close to seeing something here, guys. Let's see. We're getting close here. We have this order block. We have this sell side imbalance here. This is going to be interesting. Okay, let's see. So let's do another line here. This is our now lower time frame zone. So we're going to pay attention to this. Okay, let's just do this. Boom. I like drawing lines too, just so I don't get confused from my higher time frame zone. You know, this is gonna be. I want to see this be inversion, so I'm gonna draw this like this to be cleaner. Let's even do this. Let's just copy this puppy. Pretty cool. You can do that. Boom. Bam. Okay, sweet. So I want to study this zone out. Is this going to be inversion? Are we going to use this to be bouncing? Or are we going to use this as resistance? Looks like we're bouncing here, but I want to be careful. Same thing here. Boom. Okay. Okay. All right, we're inversing this. Just want to be careful here. We just took some internal range highs. Let's see if we start to reject. If we start to bounce here, I might try a long out. Yeah, we'll try one long out here for a little scalp. Let's see. Let's see if we can scalp this a little bit. If not, we're going to get out pretty quick. Target wise, I mean, I'd like to see shorts come in. I got to respect what price is doing though. I feel like my bias, I'm leaning more towards a higher time frame move down, but you know, we'll see what we get here. I feel like I'm going to be pretty short on these. I'm going to just scalp these longs, you know. So we're in long right now, guys. In long on NQ, just one mini. Let's draw our P&L on here just to have it. We'll probably aim for these internal range highs right here, and that's it. So we got to be careful here. Looking for a little scalp pretty much. I mean, we can get this. That's what we're seeing here. We do have this 1 minute buy side imbalance below, so price might want to wick down into that. Could wait. That could be a really patient entry, but I feel like right here we have the potential to bounce on this higher time frame zone right here, as well as this. This was our 5 minute zone, so that's what we're doing. You see, price came down, tapped it. We're now pushing up, so I'm probably going to close this soon. Here we're up about 400, 350 bucks right here. Probably just take a little scalp here, guys. Quick little scalp, scalpy scalp. Up 500 bucks here. Let's see if we get one more little push up. Be careful. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me a little pumpy. One more little pump. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I want to be careful because I do want to see if we go short from this zone. So we did tap it again. So let's see. I just want to be careful. I don't want this to start ripping down. I feel like we might here. So I'm going to be careful. I might close a little early here. Let's see, and get ready for some shorts possibly. Let's get one more little rip, baby. Come on, NQ. Come on, NQ. Only up like 275 here. 400. If we break these highs one more time, I'm going to just get out real quick. It's still a decent scalp. So we're going to be targeting still like 134 ticks is beautiful. Easy money. Easy money. Let's get it slap TP here, guys. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Don't edge me. Don't do this to me. There we go. A little more. Ooh, come on. That was one tick off. 600 bucks. Bam. All right. Trade one. Good. Easy trade. Good little scalp. Let's go. Anyone catch that with me? And what was that trade? That was about 700 bucks. So this week we're killing it on this account so far. Just be careful. Wednesday we took 4 trades, 2,900 bucks so far today, up 7 hundo. So trade one was good. Let's just be careful here. I wonder if we're going to keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Dubs, guys. Easy. 7-figure guy up a band. He's the man. Where's my cut, bro? Good stuff, dog. Good stuff. All right. Well, trade one done. I'm going to take that P&L off. We're going to be patient here. I want to see if we start to dump from the zone. We have a huge move down. So let's be careful. Let's be careful. Because we just took these highs. We have this bullish order block right here, this down close candle. So if we start to break below, boom, and we get a little retest here, I'm going to be seeing that as, all right, we took the highs. That's one sign that we're, could be flipping here. We took some liquidity. And then if we start to inverse this order block, we disrespect it, and we start to use it as resistance down as well as this higher time frame zone, maybe we go short. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. I want to see if we start to bounce here, especially at 50% of the zone. I want to see if we bounce here or not, what we do here. So pretty interesting to see what happens here. But since we're counter trend, those longs, I didn't want to hold them too long. Quick $700 was pretty nice to do. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Got to be patient. Yeah, what's going on? We making some bread, bro. He remade his strategy, huh? How about we do, let's see. Let me cook something up for you guys. Let's see. I know. How do we do this one? Let's see. I love. Let's do here, let's see. Bam. All right, let's see. How do we do this? I forgot how to do this, guys. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Any way you want it. That's the way you need it. Okay, let's see. Hold up, guys. Cooking you up something here. Let's see if we go short here. I might hop in a short if we get some structure. Oh, I just want to keep watching this. Looks like we're getting it, possibly. We're all okay. Ooh, we're getting it. We're getting it. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna have to pause what I'm doing here. Let's lock in here. We are going to wait. I'm not gonna just jump in shorts here. I want to see if we can how this candle closes. I just like that we took highs. We got a very shorter block here, kind of at these highs. We're in a 4-hour zone that I want to see be inversion. Let's just go back in case anyone just hopped in. But I'm looking at this zone right here. This zone right here technically was supposed to be bullish. We came down. Price was really bullish. We should be supporting here. Okay, and it might. Very well might. Because that's what it's looking like we're doing right now. Price is coming up. We're starting to even bounce and reject off 50% to the upside. But if we want to be bearish, we're going to be seeing it reject 50% and start rolling down. Okay, that's what we see, and this zone is very decisional for my bias right now. So we got to be careful. It looks like that 4-hour candle could go either way. We could start just dumping. I mean, the 4-hour looks pretty crazy. It looks, honestly, on the 4-hour time frame itself, though, it looks more bullish than anything to me. It looks like we're coming here and we're going to start continuing to go up, but we got to roll with what we get. So let's just see what happens here. Let's just see what happens. Maybe we take another long here, guys. No key, low key. Maybe this is what we need to see. I'm in long again, guys. I'm in long again. We're in 1 mini long. Let's go. I feel like we're bouncing at 50%. 4-hour looks pretty dang bullish. Okay, and we came down. We respected the hell out of this 1 minute bullish order block. You know, no body overlap even, just wicks. So I'm trusting this. We long, baby. Let's see what we can do. Another long. I'm probably going to target the body highs right here if we can get that. That's going to be a decent target. And obviously our liquidity is pretty far away. I'm not going to target that. That's the draw on liquidity in my eyes, though. That's what I feel like we could be, because I'm looking at higher time frames. So 4-hour, if we look at the 4-hour draw on liquidity, if we're going to start using this as support, what's next? You know, 4-hour, we have this previous candle. There's really nothing in this range. So draw on liquidity is up here. So I want to be on the right side of price, but I want to be taking little scalp targets on the way there. But we'll see what we get here. Stop loss, though, is going to have to be pretty strict on this one. I want to see it below, not go below this first order block that helped us pump here. So I want to see this really start to rip and not have any delay, not much delay. So we'll be careful here. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm going to take profit here at these body highs. Pretty good, pretty easy profit if we get there. Pretty easy target, I mean. Bam. Let's see what happens here, guys. We got a little balance here. We got to see this pump right here. Come on, AQ. Don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. 5 minute too. The only thing, 5 minute, we do have this little imbalance below. I don't want to see it go all the way in there. I don't want to see that. I want to see this be strong right here. Good pump, good pump. Come on. Good pump. Yeah, we long, baby. Yeah, the 4-hour wick was crazy. Let's see. I mean, I just don't like the 5 minute. I'm still confident in these, but to keep it as tight of a stop as possible, like 5 minute wise, we do have this zone below. You know, I'd hate to see, because price did take the highs out, I'd hate to see it want to roll over into here and then bounce again after that. I want to see this be strong right now. So we got to see this reaction here. If it starts to disrespect this range right here, I'm going to get out for sure. You know, that's why stop loss is where it's at. Yeah, SMT to the downside. We'll see. We'll see right now. I mean, 4 hours looking pretty strong. I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt here. I'm trusting price action just strictly on NQ right now. I'm not going to let the SMT kind of fake me out. But we'll see. We'll see. We will see. 4 hours looking mighty bullish as we got to the zone. It's not looking like it wants to roll over yet. We'll see. Good pump, guys. We're up $400 right here. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, we're about, from my target, we're almost 50%. Okay, so I mean, if you want, that's a point where you could move stop up. You can move stop to break even. I'm going to just wait. Oh, that's an ugly candle. It's like right there, I would have gotten stopped out if it went to break even. Just be careful here. We might just start to dump. I love. Oh, I've been on that. It's Greedios. Greedios. That's the best duty, bro. That's the best duty. I think we're looking good, guys. Honestly, I think we're looking good. I think we're looking good. I think we're looking good. Oh, love. I love. Come on, baby. Man, he's freaking with me right now. See if we can catch 2 bangers in a row, guys. I don't know. This one's looking like we might get stopped. TBH. I'm going to be careful here. We're back to 50% of this 4-hour zone. We'll see what happens. If it starts to reject here, though, it's going to reject hard. Yeah, I'm going to get out. I got out. I am going to try some shorts here. I'm in short. I switched. I'm just seeing the reaction in real time, so I want to roll with it. Be careful. So went short, guys. I switched short. Same thing, 1 mini. Let's see. I don't want to screw myself up with that. Let's be careful here. This has got to start dumping quick. And honestly, we're going to be just taking this one as a scalp here too. Probably just down into here if we can get that. Let's see what we can get. Back into like this area right here. All right, sweep. We got to see this roll quick, guys. So we're in short. We are in shorts. Come on, no bounce here at that freaking level. Let's see it roll all the way down. This candle's messing with me. Jordan. What's good, bro? Give me some good luck, Jordan. Give these shorts a slap, bro. Welcome in, Jordan. Good to see you, dog. Yeah, bro. Thank you. Dude. Man, Jordan remembers the old days, man, with the mustard. Jordan knows. Yeah, I think I might have to get out of this trade. I don't want to just keep flip-flopping, though. This is a really indecisive area, guys. So let's see. Shoot, dude. What do you guys think? I want to see what you guys see. You guys think long or short here? What do you guys think, chat? You guys even holding any positions right now? This is looking long again now. We might have to take our L here. This is tough. All right, I got out of the shorts. I'm not trying to lose all my profit. I think I'm almost break even, though, on the day at this point. I think I'm like only 150 bucks positive now. I'm going to stay flat here for a second before, because what did we do with this candle? It mitigated this 5-minute zone I was talking about, and we're shooting up from it. Now we're back up to 50% of this 4-hour zone. So I want to be careful and see if that's all we needed to do so we could pump. So let's just see. All right, we're trying the longs out again, guys. We're in the longs. We're in the longs. This is fella. I don't want to get faked out here, guys. This NQ's faking me out though, low key a little bit. I'm getting caught up in some BS right now. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Come on. You know, hey, you got a paper trade before you trade, bro. That's good. I remember those days, dude. Dude, I'm sweating, bro. Dude. Ay. All right, now we're chilling. We're chilling. We start to break above here, we're good. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm gonna, before we go crazy, I added one more. Because we're kind of inversing this as a bear show. Oh, shit, dude, why is it getting so volatile right here? Why is it getting so volatile? What was that candle, bro? Holy crap, dude. You gotta be careful. Got to be careful. Ay, though. That was crazy. What's going on here? This has got to move quick. We're in 2 minis this time. All right. I might take one off as we break these highs. Okay. I want to be scalping. I want to make my profit back because I think I'm only up like $100 at this point. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Good pump. Good pump. Good pump. Let's see. All right, we're gonna take like one off right here. Okay, at 100 ticks. Once we get to 100 ticks, if we can, come on, dude. That was a ridiculous candle. That was crazy.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, let's get this to rip, guys. Let's get this to rip. I feel like it's gonna rip right now. Okay, and I feel like this is the ultimate target for us. Easy target on the longs. Let's see. Come on, let's get a ripper, NQ. Let's get a ripper. So ultimate target's like 200 ticks. Just these highs, these relative equal highs are here. Really good target on the buy side. A lot of relative equal highs here. So I feel like we should run up there. I mean, everything's pointing to it. 4 hour zone, we're inversing it. It's just we gotta see it happen. We gotta see it happen. It just keeps dilly-dallying right here. This looks more long than short to me though now at this point. I'm not gonna lie. So let's go. Let's go with this, baby. Come on.
Oh, no pone lo de. Entonces,
Come on.
Entonces lo que voy a hacer siempre es hacerlo share, ¿verdad?
Yeah, this looks clean. This looks clean. Inversing this order block. Sell side and bounce here as well. We inversed it. We're pushing. This looks really good. We got to just see this momentum fly in. You can see the momentum volume coming in on these past few candles because it's really getting volatile. So just be careful. Make sure you guys have your stop losses in there just in case something crazy happens. You never know. Okay, just trade safe, guys. I gotta put mine even. I don't even have one because honestly, this feels like in the blink of an eye, it could fly either way. Like, look at these candles, ridiculous.
Mira, ya terminé pintar todo. Nada más tengo que hacer algo en las ventanas. Pero pues ahora no.
Let's see that happen, Jordan. Shoot. We need a Hail Mary right now. Come on. We need a freaking Hail Mary. Bad. I mean, we got support from this as a bullish order block. Let's see this just fly. This candle's looking volatile as hell. Here we go. Up, what, $500-600 here. And we're hardly hardly at our target, so we got a ways to go. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna put a TP here. Whoa, I'm gonna put a TP here just in case we fly up real quick and I miss it. You know what? Let's just do one. Let's do one there. Whoa, can I do that? No, so let's do this. Let's do, nah, let's just do full there. I'd be happy on the day. Two bands up there. But man, what the hell, dude? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Yeah, look at these candles, guys. This is ridiculous. It's crazy. Crazy. Absolutely nuts. Thinking of scaling out one if we really start dumping here, but this is just, it's getting so volatile. This candle alone right here just moved what? Let's put a position on just to see. This candle alone right here just moved freaking 200 ticks in a one minute candle. I mean, it's not crazy. I know it happens, but I mean, blink of an eye, 200 ticks. Ridiculous. Let's see if we can recover back above here into break even and start pumping again. This is just crazy. I don't want to see any rejection. If we see another hard rejection, I'm going to just have to get out completely. Get out of full. I don't want to risk this. Don't want to risk it for the biscuit this time. This is just getting ridiculous.
Oh, okay, because I looked him up on.
What's up, lads? How we doing?
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I'm not really sure how it works too much, but I looked him up on Reddit and table, so I know.
This is either going to pump like crazy or we're going to get blown out really bad. She's getting ready for a move.
No, it's fine.
I can feel it.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them to just hold on, then we'll see what to do. Hello? You hear me? Oh. Yeah, buddy. How are you? All right. Anyway.
Yeah, bro. Holding this. We'll see what happens here. Just getting super volatile. I don't want to get greedy either. I feel like we're going to get a fat move, but I just want to scalp it here. But I feel like if we do start to rip, it's going to get violent, bro. Like, it's going to really start to rip. But we'll see. You know, I mean, I'm really tempted to just put a one order here. Okay? Sell one limit. And then we let one ride, maybe. So we're going to see what happens once we get to this point. If it's a really slow move, I'm going to just close full manually. Let it take me out of one if we get up there. But I want to see if we can close one here and we can get a little extra move out of this long. But dude, it's just so attracted to this zone right now. It doesn't want to break out of it. We keep going up to it, coming down, coming up to it, coming down. I mean, let's see it really rip out of the zone and use it as inversion at this point, because that's what it really looks like we're going to do. 4 hours looking clean. We're starting to move out of it. This is the zone really paying attention to right here. So drawing out, that's that. It's looking decent. All we can do is wait, guys. Good stuff, 7-figure. It's $1,400 in the day. Go flat. That's a W, dude. Easy peasy, man. Good stuff. This is gonna be my last trade for sure. Oh, show for show. Come on. It's just taking its sweet time here. 7-figure cracking, 4-figure for sure. 7 figures cracking, bro. It's just I want to see this rip, guys. This is getting me a little impatient. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Only took like 10 years. Damn it. Come on. We're getting this move. Ooh, we're getting this move, guys. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're like 50% of profit. All right, we're up a band almost here in this trade. Come on. Don't do me. Just don't freaking dilly dally and Q. Just pump. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. No, dude. Every time we go up, it legit it goes down so fast. It's priming. It's priming for a move right now. It's priming for a move, guys. I feel it. I feel it. I've seen this happen too many times. Let's check out the 5-minute real quick. Let's check out the 5-minute. Man, 5 minutes is looking basic. I don't see any reason, though, for us to be bearish right here on the 5-minute even. We have this sell side imbalance and this order block. Sure. Yeah, price came up to it, rejected. But the fact we're retesting it and existed in here so long, I feel like we're going to fade the hell out of this too. And we're moving. So let's watch the 1 minute. Hooey mama. Hooey. Come on. Scared money don't make money. Come on. You thought you switched to paper, you know. What are you trading? You're trading live? You're trading your fundeds? That's scary, man. That's not good. I'm gonna have to get out of this soon, guys. We've been in this trade for not too long. I mean, 12 minutes. It's not that bad. I really do love Wealth Charts has this countdown. There's counting feature for your position. It's so dope. I really haven't seen that any other platform. It's really sick. Gives you some perspective to see if you're being a degen or not. Low key. We're up $1,100 here, $1,200 here, guys. I feel like we're gonna get this move finally. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah, $1,500, 16. I'm tempted. I mean, if we just close full here, it's 2 bands, guys. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on. It's close. Oh, 2 bands, guys. 2 bands. I've never seen this kind of money. Oh. All right, we got one out, guys. We got one out. All right, we just secured a bat. We secured a band. All right, I'm getting excited, guys. Ooh, I'm about to go buy a car after the stream. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna put. I think a little GT3, RS action, low key. Nah. Yes, sir. Okay, I don't want to see this just dump though. All right, this is gonna be second take profit. Man, oh man. This is gonna be full TP. Could have just taken full TP there with the two bands. I really totally could have. Totally could have. Totally could have. But we have this zone above here too. Okay. We have this. Let's study this. This area right here on the hourly, this sell side imbalance, this could be an area where we want to just go wake up into real quick before we move down again. Who knows? So I want to see here what happens. So I'm going to mark this out too. This is going to go bam, bam. All right. Not that that's a target. I mean, that is a target. It's a pretty good target. Okay. But that's a longer hold. All right. I think I want to just target, if we can get it. Looks like we're starting to reject here. I'm not going to lie. But I see these candles, body highs as liquidity, not the ultimate high, just the body high. That's a really safe target, and it's above these highs. Okay. So I feel like that's a good target as well. That's what this TP is at right now, is those body highs that I was just showing you. So that's where we could go next. Or if we want to have the big cojones, we hold for whatchamacallit, the 1 hour imbalance. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna put all right, this is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put a line here. This is what we're gonna do. All right, we're gonna do this here. We're gonna drop blue because this is technically some buy side liquidity. And I'm gonna see how price reacts. I'm gonna move my take profit up to there. All right, to our hourly zone. So I want to see what happens here. Okay. I want to see what happens here. If we start to wick this and just reject, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna just close manually. All right. Once we get above this, I want to see us maintain above this, and then I'm gonna hold. All right. But I'm gonna have to take profit at our hourly zone. That's what I'm gonna do. Let's go, guys. We're killing it. We're killing it. We're killing it. So you probably think this song is Nah, I mean, honestly, at this point, I want to be safe than sorry. I really do feel like it's going to go up there, but I do even have to hop pretty soon, guys. So what we're going to have to do is just take profit here and be done on the day, which is the smarter thing to do for me as well, because I've been kind of getting in and out of trades all day, all morning. So let's see. I feel pretty confident about this move up to here. So full TP at 288.6 is crazy. Yeah, stop to break even if you guys want to be safe. Oh, here we go, guys. It's easy. It's a ripper. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We pulled one band off the 1 mini. All right, because we initially got in with 2 minis. We got one band off the first one, and we're gonna get 1,400 off this one. I think that's pretty decent. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Easy, easy, easy. Sniper gang, sniper gang. Come on, dude. We're so close. Oh, here we go. It's about to rip, guys. It's about to rip. Oh, it's about to rip. Oh, it's about to rip. Let's go. Damn. Damn. Dude, if you guys would have took those trades, you guys would have been up. Yeah, all right, so what did we start today at? 52.9. So we made another, 2 bands today. Not bad. Not bad. That was banger after banger, guys. We took 1 loss, though. I'm not going to lie. We did take 1 loss on what we were short. What do? We switched up the buy. We roll with the market. We roll with what we get. So, and Drew, man. Drew's the freaking, he's the, what do you call it? He's the freaking, he's a market maker, bro. He called that move in 3 minutes. He called it. And honestly, this is probably going to flow up into here. I'm pretty sure of it. But Better to be safe than sorry. Secure our money. We're up 2 bands on the day. Let's just close up the books. Yeah, Drew is the whale, bro. I had to call on the whales in the market today, bro. Move it, man. That's our low-key our strategy. But yeah, guys, banger. I hope you guys banked with me on that. Yes, sir, Jordan. Jordan's been killing it too, bro. Jordan be calling bangers all the time. But W stream, guys, I think that's a good way to end the Friday. Up 2 bands. If you guys would have followed along, you guys would have been up 2 bands too. And that's why these strategies for me work. I mean, you got certain things you look at, and you got to just be disciplined with your bias. You know, not flip-flopping too much, not getting scared. You know, roll with it. Have decent-sized stop losses to allow you to stay in the move. And man, it pays off. You know, so I think we're gonna end it here, you guys. You guys got any questions about our plans? You guys got any questions? Use code FFF, FFF on the site. Best discounts right now, and we're gonna be running even crazier sales as we keep going, guys. We're almost at 2-year anniversary. We've been killing it with you guys for a while. We love you guys. Let's keep it up. Let's keep killing it, guys. But I think we're gonna hop off here. If there's no questions, much love. Have a safe weekend. Have a good weekend, you guys. And we will see you on Monday. Peace. Peace, guys.
This content is presented by Funded Futures Family for educational and entertainment purposes only. This live show does not provide financial or investment advice. Futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. All trades, analysis, market opinions, and commentary reflect personal perspectives only and may change without notice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Simulated performance results have inherent limitations and do not represent actual live trading. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions, risk management, and results. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial professional before making any trading decisions. Viewing this content does not create a client, advisory, or fiduciary relationship. This content